All right, we had a short video last time, and I'm trying to get this so I'm on it. There we go. And we're going to do another short video here. If I can figure it out. Here we go. Yeah, we off screen we showed that these were chiral, not related to this question. So this one is kind of a trial and error question. Dimethylcyclopentane. How many isomers, including constitutional and stereoisomers? Constitutional will have the methyls on different positions. Stereoisomers, same positions, but they're either enantiomers or diastereomers. Okay? So first question is, how many dimethylcyclopentanes are there ignoring stereochemistry? And the answer is, you can have both methyls on one carbon. You can have methyl on carbon 1 and methyl on carbon 2. And you can have methyl on carbon 1 and methyl on carbon 3. So those would be the 3 constitutional isomers. Okay. Well, how many isomers do you have of this one? Well, just this one. How many of this one? Well, you have the wedge of it. And don't even bother trying to draw it an enantiomer, because this one is clearly, I hope you see, meso. It has a mirror plane in the molecule. So this is the only cis version of this molecule. There are 2 transits. There's this one, where this one is 1, 2, 3, R, and this one is also R, 1, 2, 3, R, and its mirror image, which I'm not going to draw, is SS, enantiomer, right? So far you've got 1 molecule here, 2 molecules, 3 molecules. And same story for 1 and 3. We've got wedge. Oh. Don't try to draw its mirror image. You know why? There's a mesoplane right through this one. Remember, meso doesn't have an enantiomer. I can guarantee one of the stereocenters is R and one's S, because that's meso for you. They have as many R's as S's. But there'll be the wedge dash and dash wedge. We're going way above what's called for in this question by drawing all of them, but you know, helps understand. And this one would be 1, 2, 3, R. And I'm verify that 1, 2, 3, not S, therefore R, plus SS, enantiomer. So the answer is 5, isn't it? There's number 4. Sorry. No, that's 4. This was 5, and the enantiomer was 6. Did I do that right? I didn't count this meso, did I? Ooh. I didn't count this one. It's a molecule. So I'm sorry about my numbering, but I'll put 7 up here. And I hope that's one of the answers. It is. And it's a trial and error question. That's all I can do. Okay. It's a good one. And then unrelated, but pretty short little video going on with pKa's. Oh, I don't think there's something wrong here. Is there a typo on the exam? That's why my student was confused. It didn't copy through properly. And Mr. Zoom is in the way of my, he always is. There we go. Yeah, that should have been, that's a typo. I apologize for that. It should be HCl, and I can't fix it there, but please correct this. on the exam. Yeah, 'cause it wasn't a molecule before. HC, one bond H to a C is not a molecule. Okay, so this would be, D would be the answer for what is the lowest pKa, right? And the only numbers you're responsible for are that one, and then just use your periodic table for the other ones to know that this, you know, the number for this one is 16, and you're also supposed to know that this should be close to 10 because that is very close to a thiol, right? It's the inorganic version of a thiol. Silicon we didn't do, but we do know the trend. Carbon, silicon would be H bonded to C is 50. And this would be not a lot less than 50, but less than 50, but still high. Very high. And the trend on the table is supposed to go like this. Most acidic. No. Sorry, it goes down. Remember? Rows, it's electronegativity. And columns, it is size. So most acidic and least acidic. So the one that's most to the top left is this question. And use your periodic table. We got silicon next to sulfur, next to phosphorus in the middle, and Cl. There's the periodic table. This is only it's a row question, isn't it? They're all in the third row. Silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine. I'm just looking at the periodic table. And so you're only using the electronegativity trend, and the least electronegative will be that one. So highest pKa. And the reason she was not sure about this question was there was a typo on it. Yeah.
And then comes the pH 3.
Yeah, it would go in order, the second least, third least, and then the best. So yeah, know this trend. That was chapter 4. And it should serve you well. And that's the end of our short video there. We'll do an activity, make it real short.